Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing some chilly temperatures as well. We'll see winds increase for later this morning into the afternoon hours, with windy conditions expected for the late afternoon hours, as we'll see a area of precipitation, some rain showers moving through the region for later on this afternoon in the evening hours, and that'll give us a period of some light rain across the region. Going to see some cooler weather as well once that rainfall does move in, seeing temperatures drop back into the mid to lower 40s after our highs in the upper 40s today. So more of a winter type day today with the temperatures below average, some windy conditions, and some light rainfall moving in for this afternoon. Our freezing level this morning on the sounding was 1,700 feet. Winds out of the northwest and low levels between 20 and 25 knots at 1,000, 3,000 feet, becoming more southwesterly above that, increasing with height up to 62 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have a strong area low pressure off to our northeast. Over the northeast states, it's giving locations off to our north and west some rain and snow showers. Seeing some accumulating snow across the mountains of the mid-Atlantic into the northeast states as well. But overall, the system's going to be moving towards our area and off the Jersey coast for later on today, and that's going to give us a chance of some showers, as I mentioned. And then we'll have high pressure build in after, but still some breezy conditions for our Saturday. So taking a look at our radar and satellite imagery here, you can see some rainfall as well as some snowfall in the any elevated locations, it seems, as observations are pointing to some locations north and west of Baltimore, D.C., seeing a little bit of snowfall this morning, temperatures in the lower 30s in those locations. But here across our region, you can see mostly sunny skies, just a little bit of cumulus clouds across the area. We'll see this area of thicker cloud as well as those rain showers moving towards our region for later on today. And taking a look at the HRM model, you can see here some of that rain and snow shower activity still lingering across the northwestern portions of the DC, Baltimore area. But overall, across our area, just going to see some partly cloudy skies developing this afternoon, becoming mostly cloudy during the mid-afternoon hours, and then we'll see those rain showers moving in with cloudy skies, cooler temperatures, and continue to see more of a winter-type chill to the air today, and the temperatures only in the lower 40s once it does start raining, as well as some windy conditions, so it will be quite a chilly Friday evening. Moving into our overnight for Friday and Saturday, looking like we could still have a scattered or isolated shower overnight. And then moving into the morning hours on Saturday, we'll clear out once again, has been the pattern during the morning hours, clearing out, and then we'll see some cloud cover develop in the afternoon, and we'll continue to see some breezy conditions for Saturday. For our European model, look at the long range. You can see those showers moving through for today, light rain, and then moving into Saturday, looking like a fairly good day overall, just some breezy conditions in general with temperatures in the mid-50s. So fairly seasonable this time of year with that breezy condition as well. And then Sunday looks like a very nice day across the region. Ridge of high pressure builds in the region, giving us lower winds as well as some moderating temperatures. As moving into Monday, we'll see temperatures back in the 60s as it appears, and we'll see a cold front move through on Tuesday morning, giving us a chance of some showers and continued mild conditions for Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll see temperatures come back down slightly as a high pressure builds in, and then for Thanksgiving, looks like it's going to be a wet Thanksgiving across the Mid-Atlantic region. Most models are indicating that we're going to have a area low pressure develop across the Tennessee Valley, move into the region, giving us a good amount of rainfall across the area. So some needed rainfall as we are in a bit of a drought, but being on Thanksgiving, not the best day to see that rainfall across the region, but it looks like it's a likely scenario at this point. So as far as our risk chart goes today, we'll have a high around 48 degrees, low tonight around 40. We'll see those temperatures in the lower to mid 40s once the rain does start, with gusts up to about 30 to 35 knots. So a windy, rainy type of evening across the region, so fairly unsettled. We'll have red condition for our winds from this afternoon through the early overnight hours, and then continuing to see breezy to windy conditions tomorrow morning. Winds will be out of the west to west-southwest in general today, and then turning more westerly during the late evening, and then more northwesterly by tomorrow morning. Our terminal forecast will see VFR conditions for most of the work hours today. By the time we get to 1600 local, however, we'll see those ceilings start to drop below 3,000 feet with some rain showers in the region. And then overnight, we'll just see some broken clouds around 3,000 feet in general. Slight chance we still have a lingering shower until about 4 local. But that rainfall comes in, it looks like about 1600 local today and lasting until about midnight tonight. Our tides are slightly above normal at this time, and looking at the next 2 days, Saturday into Sunday for the weekend. Saturday, partly mostly cloudy and breezy. Very slight chance of a shower in the evening. Most likely won't see that, but a high 55 degrees. Winds will be a red, so we'll have winds gust. It looks like around 27 to 28 to 29 knots, but a very high confidence we're going to see that for Saturday afternoon, so going with red here. Saturday night, mostly cloudy and breezy early, becoming partly cloudy and slightly breezy, a low of 43. Those winds will die off during the evening hours, and should see those winds below 25 knots after about 9 or 10 o'clock on Saturday evening. And then for Sunday, for our end of the weekend, we'll see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, slightly breezy during the morning, high 59 degrees, so those temperatures start to moderate. Could see a brief period in the morning on Sunday with those winds gusting 23, 24 knots, so can't rule out a random gust 25 here, and went with a yellow for our winds at or in 25 knots. So next 7 days, those rain showers today, have a winter type preview for the eastern shore with those temperatures in the 40s, rainfall likely during the evening hours. And move into Saturday, Sunday, fairly seasonable weekend, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, some breezy conditions as I mentioned on Saturday, slightly breezy in the morning on Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday looks like we'll be back above normal, temperatures in the mid 60s across the region. Monday looks like a really nice day across the region, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid 60s. For Tuesday, we'll have that chance of showers, mainly during the morning hours, possibly lingering into early afternoon hours, but it'll be mild, high of 65 degrees. And then for Wednesday, we'll see temperatures back to our seasonal averages, are in the mid-50s. And then for Thursday of next week, looks like we'll have a rainy day for Thanksgiving. Looks like temperatures will be in the lower 50s for most of the day, upper 40s, and then we'll see those temperatures rise actually late during the evening into the upper 50s, with that boundary getting close to the region, giving us a little bit warmer air across the area. But as of right now, almost every model is showing some rainfall for Thanksgiving, so it looks like could be a wet day across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.